I got an Amazon Prime shipment for this. Hey guys, now the reason I did this mod was because I had a blower motor on speed number 4 but nothing on 1, 2, or 3. So that kind of led me to believe that the blower motor resistor was bad. That typically determines what speed that the motor blows at. So that's when I went and bought a $18 replacement blower motor resistor and connector from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. If you like what you've seen or got any use out of what you've seen, please consider subscribing. And also, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, blower motor resistor and harness pigtail. And what's the blower motor look like? The blower resistor look like? Alright, there we go. I'm going to remove this. This must be some type of guide or something, since mine didn't come with it. And it looks legit. It looks like it's a good match. Yep, they look good. What a difference. Nice and shiny. And completely rusted out. Now, I know when I first bought this Jeep, I had water stuck in the dash box from the AC because the drain was plugged. Came over to the passenger side, dropped this shield here. It was already broken, so I'm not necessarily sure how those pop off, but it did just drop. And you're going to see this resistor. It's held in with two 8mm screws. They look like this, but a little rusted out. And pull it out. Now, what I had to do with mine, since it was melted, I literally pulled it down nice and gentle, and then I took a Phillips head screwdriver and a pick, and I worked it in between the connector and the connection housing here, and literally just tried to free it. Luckily I didn't break it. I was trying to salvage this plug, figuring that it might have just been the actual resistor that was bad, but yeah, unfortunately this connector is no good. So what I'm going to do now is do one wire at a time, so that way I don't go out of order. At a time. So I'm going to remove this little casing here. Alright, just to be on the safe side, I've installed the resistor back in. I threaded in the nuts but not all the way. Before I tape this up and finish this out, I just want to test it, make sure that everything is working the way it's supposed to. Make sure I have all different. Oh, there's one. Excellent. All right, we're good. Plug that in. Plug that up. The overall install only took about 5 minutes, and it consisted of a blower motor resistor and a blower motor resistor connection. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below.